So here's our 3-week-old Cornish cross chicks. They're out doing their little outside time that they've been getting each night. And I'm going to show you something pretty funny here. As I'm heading towards their tractor, they think it might be food time, so they chase me. There's a bunch around my feet here. I can't even go into the tractor without chicks under my feet. Here's their little tractor where they sleep at night. I move this twice a day on the pasture so they get fresh grass and everything. Oh, there's more of them. Here they come running. Think it's dinner time. Not quite yet, but see, they just surround me all around. And they know this is their little house, so they go all running in. There's the feed trough. They're hoping I put some food in there. In the back is their orange water jug. It has little drinking nipples on it so they can drink from it. And it's electrified around, so you keep predators from getting them. But here they are. I'm walking away and they just chase me. They're pretty silly. But they love their outdoor time. Oh, there's a couple more coming from over there. Here they all just talking to me. These are 3 weeks old. They have about 5 weeks left before they will go to freezer camp. And they are following me, so it's really hard to get very many of them in the frame. There they are, 3 weeks old today. Let me get down, you can see a couple of them a little closer. We weighed today, and they are about 1 pound, 9 ounces roughly was the biggest, and 1 pound, 4 ounces was the smallest that I picked up. I just weighed a couple of random ones. I couldn't tell you which ones. They all look the same. They're down by my feet. Hoping for some dinner. That'll be after a while, after they've been outside eating bugs and stuff. There they are, all enjoying their pasture. I decided to lay down there. 3-week-old Cornish cross chicks.